Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make this simple person icon, I guess you'd call it. You know, the sort of figure you might see on a road sign or something like that, or symbolic of something. Only very basic, but there are a few little skills involved that I'll show you. I'll scroll over to the side here. First of all, it's easier to start with basic shapes, I think, rather than there's a circle, Control Shift to drag from the inside out, rather than try and draw them freehand using the pen tool, for example. While the ellipses and circles tool is still active, I'll draw the body and drag it into approximate position there. If you want to align it centrally, you can drag over both under the Align and Distribute tab, align vertically, make sure last selected is there. Okay, now for the limbs, you're actually going to use a rectangle. So if I drag, let's say that's the leg. Now yours will probably have a sharp corner, a rectangle like that. What I did is I dragged this down here just to round it a bit, and let's drag that into position. That might represent someone's leg. Then what I did is Control D, duplicate that and just drag another one a bit to the back. Actually, well, it doesn't really matter if it's front or back because I'm going to fill them with black, but for now I'll send it to the back just to be sure. And that one might, since it's at the back, might be a little bit smaller, so I'll Control D to drag a corner, something like that. Maybe, whoops, maybe drag that second leg like that. Control C, Control V on that. Now I'm going to do an arm, so I might just Control Shift drag that in a bit, maybe something like that. And the arm has two parts, I guess, so I might click it a second time, rotate it around a bit. Maybe the shoulder will be about there. If that looks a bit long, you click on it, and well, if you want to change the length but not the width, press R for the rectangle tool again and drag that square back there. So that's one way you can manipulate a rectangle. Now I'll Control D that one, and I'll rotate that one around a bit, maybe join it up there. Now I'll shift click the other part of the arm, Control Shift plus to unionise them. Oops, Control Z, I didn't like the look of that. I'll just drag this down a bit and shift click that one. Now Control Shift plus. Okay, now that's pretty much it. What I'm going to do is fill everything with black, but watch what happens if I do that. Looks like he's been stabbed in the stomach. There doesn't really look like an arm, so what I'm going to do is click on that and shift click white to give it a white border, and that I think improves the look of that a little bit. If you wanted to, you could, if I select it, go to fill and stroke style and bump it up a little bit. Okay, I think that improves the look of the icon as well. So there you go. You can now, if you like, group that, drag around all of it, Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate, drag a copy across, that's reflected in a vertical axis. Maybe if it's might be teacher and student icon, perhaps Control D, a couple of students, maybe shrink that one down a bit. Okay, so there's how you can create a simple person icon, and you can use the same principle with a lot of other objects, starting with basic shapes. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.